buy second-hand or recycled products. We save these birds' habitats. Well, looks like the volunteers are ready. Off goes Bettina. Long tails. These birds are very maneuverable and agile in flying. Next, these two birds, they're going to fly. And they're going to try and cross each other's flight path. Volunteers, are you ready? Bettina, ready? Ready? Go! Challenging. Alex, are you carrying a bag? It's a bag. Is Vega going to bash through that? Oh no. Alex says no. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Take it out. Ooh. Wow. That is a really small hole. Are you sure? He says no holes. Well, let's try this. Because macaws have streamlined bodies. And in the wild, they do need to fly through tight spaces to escape predators. Now everyone, silence, peace. Fantastic job. One more time. Viva everybody outside the pool. Well done. Now, you can make one flight all the way back home. Now, parrots' feet can be very powerful in breaking hard nuts, but when required, they can be gentle too. I have a coupon for a free drink. I need a volunteer for this. You sir go very fast. Yes, you sir, the one with the striped shirt. I need you to stand up on the bench. Please stand up on the bench. I need you to raise your left hand out like this. Very good. If you're ready, everyone, let's welcome Sassy. Hi, Sassy. Give that nice man his free drink. Don't move, sir. Put that coupon down, Sassy. Go to the finger, sir. You come back here. Thank you very much. Is that coupon still in one piece? Yes, it is. Give him a big round of applause, everybody. One more volunteer. One more. So many hands. But this time, I got no more free drinks. This time, I need someone who can show me money. What happened? When I say money, the hands went down. $2 will do. $2 notes. Any $2 will do. Where I see hands. Yes, sir. $2. Fantastic. Please stand up on the bench. Stand up on the bench. I need you to fold that note into half. One more time, please. Now hold it one more time. Hold it one more time. Hold it between your thumb and index finger. Money pointing outward. Very good, sir. Promise me, whatever happens, you don't move. Okay? Sassy, $2. What must you do when you see money? That's right. Quick, don't waste time. Take that money. Come back here. Don't move. Don't move. Look, where does the money go? Now you can put your hand down. Keep smiling and sit down. Thank you. That was fun. One more volunteer. One more. Good. I have $2. How about $5 this time? What? No, I was just kidding. But if any of you would like to contribute any amount, come down after the show. Put any amount into the conservation fund in this box. This conservation fund helps the local animals here in Singapore, and in return, you walk away with a postcard of Sassy. So that's after the show, don't forget that. Now, sir, I need you to stand up once again. Sassy's going to return you the money. Raise your right hand out like that, palm facing out. Why the wrong face? Smile. Your money is coming back. Sassy, be a good girl. Go return that money. That's a good girl, Sassy. Put it down. Blow the finger so you come back here. There you go. Thank you very much for helping us out. Fantastic job this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're going to take you on a journey that no other show has gone before. For the grand finale, we will be bringing out 800 birds on stage. So start counting. First pair from Africa, the great white pelicans. The second pair from India, our sport-billed pelicans. The third pair from Australia, our Australian pelicans. And the last pair from Europe, our Dalmatian pelicans. How many birds do you see on stage right now? 8. Now we go to Africa. The bird with the long, sexy legs. Keep your arms right there while right down. Flamingo. 53 of them. Now we go to Indonesia for all of the cockatoos. Up there, everyone. And now to South America for beautiful flying. Of course, keep your arms up there. And then. Now to make it more than 800, all the way from England. Keep your eyes up there for bowling and roller pigeons. There you have it, 800 birds on stage. Give them a big round of applause. And with that, we have come to the end of the show. If you would like to take photos with our birds, please do stay. We will be bringing out our baby flamingos just for you. But in the meantime, all of you are welcome to come down and take pictures of all our lovely birds here on stage. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, you can help these beautiful birds by buying less and recycling more. On behalf of a very generous sponsor, the Singapore Breast Holdings Foundation, who has been supporting us